Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am making a super easy and fast slow cooker teriyaki chicken recipe. You will need 4 to 6 chicken thighs or breasts, a half a cup of sugar, a half a cup of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon minced garlic, 3 tablespoons apple cider vinegar, and some salt and pepper to taste. And you will also need 2 cups fresh or frozen broccoli. Pour your soy sauce into the bowl, along with your half a cup of sugar, your 1 teaspoon minced garlic, and your 3 tablespoons apple cider vinegar. And also your salt and pepper to your taste. Make sure you mix that thoroughly so that the sugar dissolves into the liquid. Place your chicken thighs or breasts into your slow cooker. And take your sauce and pour it over the top of your chicken thighs. And as you can see, I did not mix mine thoroughly enough, but it did end up turning out just fine. Put the cover on and put it on high for 2 hours. In the last half an hour of the cooking time, take the cover off and make your slurry. What you'll need is 2 tablespoons cornstarch and some liquid from the slow cooker. And place that in a cup and stir it around and then pour it into the slow cooker. I did not mention that you needed cornstarch. Also take your 2 cups of broccoli and pour that into the slow cooker also. What you'll want to do is to make sure that you mix the broccoli and the slurry into the liquid and the chicken so that the liquid will thicken up and that the broccoli will cook. Place the cover back on and let it cook for another half an hour. And here it is over brown rice, and it's pretty delicious, and it's super fast and super easy. Takes 2 hours to cook and maybe 15 minutes to put together. I appreciate you guys watching, and hopefully you'll come back for more videos on my channel. Remember to follow me at Marlene's Menagerie on Instagram. Have a great day.